There we go, everybody. Not my usual place. Bit windy as well to record, but I'm just about to show you what's in the back of my car. There we go, because I'm going to be taking it to the garage to have my suspension fitted. That's the plan anyway, so let's see where it goes. There we go, car's dropped off and just waiting, and I will obviously update you tomorrow as to what happens. Well, I'm here, picked my car up and they're fitted, but I'm not going to show you the car till I get back home. I'm just going to go for a quick test drive, but obviously it's only 1 degree and there's no surface temperature at all, so I'll get back to you on how I feel about the changes. Well, I'm outside, it's the next day. The car is covered in frost because it is about 0 degrees. As you can see, suspension's in. There's a few things I'm going to check. The car had a 4-wheel alignment, but I'm going to check the tyre pressures because it feels a bit different. Obviously the rears have been dropped quite a bit, but I'm going to drop it some more. That won't be today, as I say, because it's 0 degrees. The front came down a fraction, but only because I didn't want to put too much stress on the drive shafts yet. So I'm just going to do the tyres, and then I'll talk to you about under the bonnet and the strut brace. Right, so let's move around to the front of the car, open the bonnet. For those of you who remember, I changed this a little while ago in a previous video. If you've not seen it, go and check it out. But that's the strut top mounts. That's with the OEM strut brace fitted, and that's with the extenders on, which clear, but I don't like, they seem to be quite wobbly when you turn them. This is the other side, and again, it's just, yeah, fits through the hole. I don't know. Yeah, what I've decided to do, like I said I probably would do, is that I've ordered a Summit front strut brace from A&K Motorsport. Hopefully that will be here shortly. And obviously, God, it's freezing. I will fit that, which hopefully will be easier because these bolts come up through. But famous last words. Yeah. So when I come back, as the frosty melts on the car, I can't even think, brain freeze. I will fit that. So again, for me it's going to be 2 or 3 days, and for you it'll be coming right up.